Brittany, how are we looking outside?
Pretty quiet right now. It's later today and tomorrow. That's when things get a little crazy across the area. So let's just dive right into the forecast. I'm going to break down those weather headlines for you. Today and tomorrow. Today, most of really during the day is looking just hot and dry. It's really not until late tonight, overnight, we could see another round of strong storms move through. That is not our alert day, though, for Monday. We might see that overnight rain linger into Monday morning, but the reason Monday is an alert day is due to the afternoon, evening hours. We could see all hazards possible when it comes to those severe storms. So let's just go right into the 9-day forecast to get through this first, and then we can go through everything a little bit more in detail. Today, 88 degrees for the high. We have that rain lingering for some of you this morning, very spotty showers and non-severe storms. That's going to wrap up soon, and then we're dry throughout most of the day. Overnight is when we could see some strong storms move through parts of the coverage area. Monday's our alert day. We have that lingering rain in the morning, and then the risk for severe weather starting potentially as soon as the afternoon hours. 89 degrees. That's going to fire up thanks to a cold front. So once that moves through, cooler air for the rest of the week. 70 degrees Tuesday with some rain in the morning. We drop Wednesday, the high now down to 67 degrees. We do start to warm back up as we head into the end of the week, back to the mid 70s. Rain chance Thursday and potentially Friday. Next weekend still looking dry with highs in the low 80s. Let's talk about our severe weather. First, the first round that we're expecting, at least when it comes to the next 2 days. Remember, this is really going to be an overnight risk. Yesterday when I showed you this, the yellow, the possible risk, was all the way to the north. Really not a concern. The threat for severe weather has increased now into our area that has been dropped south. My two biggest concerns, damaging wind and flash flooding, since we just saw so much rain. Can't completely rule out maybe a quick spin up, though, overnight. So here's what we're looking at when it comes to future scan. The reason I'm saying most of the day is dry is because I think when those storms do fire up this evening, it's going to be out west and well to the northwest of us, likely not making it to our area until after midnight. So mainly overnight when these storms move through, and it's a big if. The storms might fall apart before reaching us, but if they can maintain strength, we are expecting, remember, strong wind gusts, maybe a few spin-ups, and also potentially more flooding. This is going to continue into the first half of the day on Monday, but it will lose intensity once, the sun goes up Monday. Likely no longer a severe threat, just the showers and non-severe storms at that point moving south. That's what we're expecting Monday morning. But the reason Monday's an alert day is because of our second round of severe storms that we're expecting within the next 2 days here. So here's Monday potentially as soon as the afternoon, but mainly evening and overnight. Notice the risk has gone up, very likely now off to our west on the Kansas side, but a pretty good chance of seeing severe storms through the Kansas City area in the orange. And we are expecting all hazards, so really need to stay weather aware on Monday. Here's that morning rain I told you about. That's not why it's an alert day. Remember, that moves out to the south as we head into the afternoon. And if we can see enough clearing and sunshine, we could see during the afternoon the first round of our severe weather on Monday. Earlier in the day, around the afternoon, all hazards possible if we can get that early kind of formation of thunderstorms. We have a cap a little on the atmosphere, so that early afternoon that risk for isolated storms is a little bit lower. What's more likely is during the evening and overnight hours, storms developing in a line and that pushing through the area. So this is what we're really keeping a close eye on. Again, that chance is a little bit more likely. It's that evening and really Monday night into early Tuesday morning chance for severe storms.